I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. So here we are in the bedroom, and this video I'm going to talk about something that YouTube has done yet again to make the site a bit more ridiculous. So when I go to bed at night, a lot of times I put on some white noise using the TV box cube there, and you can probably see what I'm going to be talking about in this video by now. But a lot of times when I go to bed, I actually put on white noise of, like, for example, a box fan or rain, or just plain old white noise. You know, there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube that you can put on to play for sound that helps you go to sleep and helps you, this helps you relax, that kind of stuff. Well, the people over YouTube decided to pull a Netflix. Yeah, I've heard Netflix has been doing this for a while as well. So now, used to be when I'll go to bed, I'd put on a video. The video is usually about 10 hours long, so it would definitely last from the time I go to sleep to the time I wake up in the morning. Well, now, about 5 or 6 hours into the video, where I'm listening to the sound, all of a sudden it quits. And sometimes during the morning I don't sleep very heavily, and I can actually hear it quit, and it wakes me up. So I go to grab the remote control, and I wake the screen up, and I see this convenient little message right here. Video paused. Well, continue watching? Seriously, what is the purpose of this? Yeah, I guess the folks at YouTube decide to say, okay, if there's no activity from the user, after a certain amount of time, we're just going to ask them, are you still there? It's like the equivalent of Pandora asking, are you still listening? This is ridiculous. So now, I can't even play a freaking sleep video overnight. It has to stop about halfway through, and then I have to hit play again to actually start playing again. It's ridiculous. YouTube, why? Why? And also, I should mention, it wasn't that long ago that they decided to stop allowing you to run YouTube Leanback on the PC. Well, the workaround for that was to make it was to change the user agent string to that of Roku. And that's been working fine for quite a while. But then all of a sudden, I have to do this crap too. Seriously? What's the purpose? So yeah, guys, I'm going to be making a video here pretty soon talking about some of the stuff that YouTube has done this year that has been quite annoying. And I mean very annoying. They are actually, I'm seeing history repeat itself with YouTube. I'm seeing another 2013 occur, more or less. And I'll focus on that in another video. But anyways, like, seriously, I looked up online, and this has apparently been an ongoing thing for a while now. And I've installed a Chrome add-on. Yeah, this is running in Chrome kiosk mode. I installed a Chrome add-on, and also I installed a user script that supposedly clicks play whenever the video pauses. Some nights it works, other nights it doesn't. Well, those scripts were probably designed for the desktop interface. Leanback is not the same as the desktop interface. So yeah, all the fixes out there for desktop, oh yeah, they don't really work too well on the Roku interface. So yeah, I tell you, it's aggravating. It's like, YouTube, why are you doing stuff like this? Why can't you just leave the site alone and just leave it be? Quit making changes to it. Unless you want to actually do something more or less decent to the site, just don't do it. So anyways, ran over. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's Cube Comp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.